Since Robin Brown became a part of the Brown clan, there has been ongoing trouble. For over 10 years, Sister Wives viewers have watched as tiny squabbles grew into bigger issues. Robin only ever seemed to get along with Mary Brown, and her arch-nemesis was Cody Brown's third wife, Christine Brown. Over time, jealousy spilled out of control, tainting the family relationships once and for all. The trouble with a capital T started between Robin and Christine early on. During the premiere season of Sister Wives in 2010, fans quickly clocked that Cody was treating his fourth wife very differently. TLC cameras caught him sneaking off with Robin and having full makeout sessions. As he often explained in his confessionals, Cody never did that with the first three wives. He kept the physical aspect of their relationship very private and waited until their wedding day. Robin was also the only wife to be given a wedding with all the bells and whistles. Not to mention, it angered Christine immensely to learn that the father of 18 helped pick out Robin's wedding dress. The double standards rubbed everyone the wrong way. But Christine seemed to take it to heart the most. It was clear that Robin could do no wrong in Cody's eyes. However, the more recent trouble started during the worldwide pandemic. Cody chose Robin over the rest of the family, leaving hurt feelings on the table and grudges being held. There were two people I personally think Robin was jealous of. First was Mary, for the simple fact that she held the title of legal wife. In a polygamous family, it is normal for only the first wife to be legally wed, and I think Robin desperately wanted the title for herself. So she schemed. She got close to Mary, who was already going through issues with Cody. She couldn't have any more children, and the patriarch was tiring of her. After years of faking a friendship, she convinced Mary to get a divorce so Cody could adopt her 3 children. Selflessly, Mary did just that and then was discarded from the family. The second person Robin was jealous of was Christine. The mother of 6 was the glue that held the Brown family together. As fans have heard multiple times, all the kids adored Christine. While the other wives went to work, she raised the children. Robin never had the type of relationship with the older kids. And she envied that. Cody's fourth wife let the green-eyed monster take over and impact how she interacted with Christine. The two were never close, so it made it easy for Christine to finally walk away from their relationship without looking back. I believe if Cody wanted to fix the squabbling between his wives, he could have. Up until a certain point, probably season 6, the Browns seemed to be holding their own and getting along pretty well. Cody would have started to notice a shift in temperaments, and he easily could have nipped it in the bud. But I think the Sister Wives star enjoyed feeling like he had 4 women fighting over him. And if we are being honest, I think he did fall in love with Robin on a deeper level. What should have happened was some honesty. Cody and Robin probably knew early on that they just wanted to be monogamous. But the idea of losing the show and his wives hurt his pride. I imagine Robin also didn't want to be blamed for the breaking up of an entire family. But I think there might have been a different outcome if she had just gotten her jealousy under control for a hot second. Instead, fans were given 3 divorces and a feud between the children. The family blames Robin for their issues, and it is hard to ignore those facts. She was always the neck that turned Cody's head.